In this video, I will show you how to apply data labels to your cards as well as hover labels. To first apply a data label to your bar, in this example bar chart, you go to your chart properties, click on Data Label Settings, and enter your text. When you click into the boxes, suggested macros will appear on your screen. In this example, I want to know my sales revenue by product type. So really, the number I care about is the value or the total value of that bar. So I will select the top macro suggested, %_value. When I do that, the number appears at the top of the bar. When I look at the hover text, I see the product and the total value. However, I'd like my data label to say the product, revenue by product, and then have the number appear on another line. To do this, you click in Hover Text Settings. In the text box, you click in and the macros are displayed again. You can also enter in freeform text, as I will show you here. The Hover Text Settings that I have applied here shows the category name being the product. I then type in revenue. Then \\lowercase n will then move all of the text following the lowercase n to the next line. In this case, being the value. When I click out my card, it shows you that it's now changed to product day revenue with the total revenue on the second line. Hover text settings can also be applied to additional types of cards, for example, with a map. In this case, you can change your hover text by clicking on General and then Hover Text. And this text is used for hover labels that are medium and large size maps in the card view on your main pages. When I hover over the map on the card, I really want to see the name of the state and then the value. So in this case, I will enter %_name, %_value. Then click Save and Close. Then when looking at your card on your main page, you can see how these were applied. Thus, Utah has 5.8 million in revenue. When looking at your Gantt charts, you also have the opportunity to change your hover text settings in the chart properties. This can be done by clicking into the hover text settings text box and then again seeing the suggested macros. In this case, I really only care about the end date. So I'd like my macro or hover text settings to show %_end date. When I click there and hover over it, you then see the end date. But that's not good enough for me. I need to know that when I hover over this, this is in fact the end date for those who are consuming this data. Therefore, I go back and type in end date %_end date. And now my hover text has changed. And that is how to apply data labels and hover text to your cards.